Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox text chat on your PlayStation 5. First, verify your Roblox account meets the age requirement of 13 years or older for chat access. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console has a reliable internet connection, as communication depends on it. You will also need your PlayStation 5 controller readily available to access and utilize the chat functions effectively. After you successfully launch the Roblox application on your PlayStation 5, choose any game world to enter. Allow the game to load fully into its environment before proceeding with any menu interactions. Once loaded, locate the game's main menu icon, often found in a corner of your screen, to access various in-game settings. From the game's main menu, proceed to the Settings or Options area where various configurations are managed. Within these settings, seek out a privacy or communication category, as this is where chat preferences are typically located. Locate the specific Enable Chat or Text Chat toggle and ensure it is switched to On to activate the feature. When you are actively playing in a Roblox game, press the designated button on your PlayStation 5 controller to bring up the chat interface. The exact button can vary, but it is frequently the L1 or R1 trigger, or sometimes the down arrow on the D-pad. Utilize the on-screen keyboard to compose your message, then simply press the Enter button to share your text with other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.